Any drywall repairs, big, small as a tack hole. If you're going to use a joint compound on it, you're going to have to let that mud dry overnight. Painting, the texture has to cure at least 24 hours, at least give it a minimum of overnight to dry. Primering, you have to primer drywall. You can't just go use paint. I know they have paint primer combo paints now that you can buy, but you always want to use a drywall sealer, like a PVA drywall sealer or Kills sealer primer before you paint. The drywall mud's absorbent. The patch area wants to absorb all your paint, so that's why we seal it with a primer. Once you seal it, the paint goes on cosmetically. It doesn't try to soak into the patch. So that's why we always use a primer or sealer on drywall repairs before